Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have some really exciting news. Our channel now has over 600 subscribers. Thank you all so much for clicking subscribe. And if you haven't yet, please turn on the bell icon so you don't miss any videos. Now let's get into today's cool topic, how AI or artificial intelligence is revolutionizing science. We're going to look at the amazing ways AI helps scientists make new discoveries and solve problems. Speaker 2, female. First up, let's talk about medical research. AI can analyze vast amounts of data much faster than humans. This helps researchers identify patterns and potential treatments for diseases like cancer. Imagine how much time and lives can be saved. Narrator, male. And it's not just medicine. In astronomy, AI is used to analyze data from telescopes. This helps astronomers discover new planets and understand cosmic phenomena better. It's like giving scientists a superpower to explore the universe. Speaker 2, female. AI is also making waves in environmental science. It can predict natural disasters like earthquakes and hurricanes more accurately. This means better preparedness and potentially saving thousands of lives. Narrator, male. And that's not all. AI is even helping in chemistry. It can simulate chemical reactions and suggest new materials for things like batteries and medicines. This speeds up innovation and makes science more efficient. Speaker 2, female. So, AI is really changing the game in science. And the best part? This is just the beginning. The possibilities are endless. Narrator, male. Before we wrap up, please share this video with your friends so they can join our channel too. And don't forget to leave your ideas in the comments below. Your support helps us grow and make even better videos. In the future, we'll talk about how AI is used in other areas like business and art. So stay tuned. Thanks again for being part of our community. See you in the next video. Speaker 2, female. Bye for now. Bye.